Sebastian, you want to open some Topps Chrome? You want to open some Topps Chrome? Does that mean yes? Okay, do you want a treat? What about a treat? Cards or a treat? Okay, here you go. You can have a treat instead. Or maybe you want the Topps Chrome. Okay. Good boy. Let's go open some cards. Let's do it. Okay. Good morning, everyone. Game time here. And yes, you're looking at a box of Topps Chrome. I've been talking back and forth with some people in the comments, and I had made the statement that I was done with Topps Chrome for now. So you're probably thinking, well, hey dummy, isn't that some more Topps Chrome in front of you there? You would be right. But I was on Walmart.com and looking around for some supplements because I'm trying to get myself back in shape, and I saw this box, this big, well, I guess they call it a jumbo box, and what caught my eye was the 10 exclusive X-Fractors. I'm not sure how they look different than the Prisms. Maybe they have more of the like old school X-Fractor boxy pattern, but we're about to find out. There's 50 cards total. I don't think there's any guaranteed hit. Tons of odds if you want to look at those. Let's see how tough it is to get an autograph, just any type of I'm still looking. Autograph 1 in 14,560 packs. So yeah, that ought to be easy to do. I'll probably get one right out of this box. Alright, let's get into it. I think I jest. It's probably, this box is more about getting these X-Fractor parallels than anything. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm not sure how many. Oh, there it is. 10 packs plus 2 extra packs that are the X-Fractors. I will be back tomorrow with my Donruss. I did with the Donruss like I did with the Limited, because I kind of like to, stretch it out, make it last a little bit longer. So I pre-ordered 2 boxes that I'll get on release day, and then ordered another one off of eBay that will come a little bit later. Oh, Jesus. Sorry, guys. That didn't go the way I wanted it to. Okay, there we go. So these are the 2 special packs, 5 cards each. And let's bust these open. So anyways, yeah, I wanted to kind of spread it out. I went ahead and did that. There's lots of stuff coming out. I went ahead and did that with Topps Archives, and what's the other one next week? Football crap. I can picture it, and I can't. Not Chronicles. That's after that. Crap, I'll think of it. It's the one where the cards are all crazy looking. Shit, I can't remember. Alright, let's just get to this. Ryan McMahon rookie, Scribner rookie, Abreu, and Jay Bruce. What is the, that's gonna drive me nuts if I don't think of it by the time this video is over. And one of you right now is thinking, oh, it's so and so. Dylan Peters rookie, Gary Sanchez future stars, Ian Happ, and Evan Longoria. Crap, it's the one where everybody says the cards will give you a seizure from looking at them. Addison Russell, Brandon Crawford. Our first refractor is Alex Wood and Justin Bohr. Chris Archer, Corey Seager, Michael Fulmer, and Paul DeJong. Edwin Encarnacion, a prism refractor of Luis Castillo. Taiwan Walker, and Stanton. Maybe I should ask my dog. Y'all saw him at the first of the video. He wasn't as excited about opening cards as I am. Reese Hoskins rookie. I pulled a lot of Hoskins rookies out of Chrome. Singh rookie, Jackie Bradley Jr. and Conforto. Woodruff rookie, J.D. Davis rookie, a Trey Mancini refractor, and a Goldschmidt. Flaherty rookie, Ian Happ, 35th anniversary reprint, Castro, and Cano. Clint Frazier rookie, Alcantara rookie, a Devers, freshman Flash, and Luke Weaver. Adam Jones, a Byron Buxton refractor, Cabrera, and Andrews. So nothing crazy there. After looking at the odds, I didn't really expect there would be, but let's check these out. Hopefully they look good. I love a refractor, so I can't imagine that I would not like it. Alright, yep, just like I thought, kind of the squares pattern. So there's a Tyler Wade rookie, Jackson Stevens rookie, Trey Turner, Matt Carpenter, and Severino. And my other 5 are Tyler Mahle rookie, or Mahle, JP Crawford rookie, Dominic Smith rookie, Brinson, and Verlander. These are good looking cards. When I look at this as a whole, probably not worth the price of the box, which was around $50. Of course, if you pulled an X-Fractor of any of the good rookies, that would, you know, definitely help. I don't know how many people will actually buy these boxes and how many of these X-Fractors. Well, certainly there will be less of these in circulation than there will be the prisms and regular refractors. So the good rookies will definitely have added value in this version. But as for this specific box, meh, it's just, again, Topps Chrome is just kind of letting me down this year. I don't know what to say. I know people love it, but it just hasn't been very good to me particularly. Well, I don't think it's been good to a lot of people as far as the autographs go, but it is what it is. We all keep buying it, so I don't know what else to say. Thanks, everybody. Go ahead and please like and subscribe. Like I said, I'll be back tomorrow. I'll post probably both videos of me opening the Donruss. I'm hoping to get a good autograph out of there, one of those 2 boxes, so we'll see. I'm excited about that. So everybody take care. Hope you're having a great day, and I will be back soon.